Hello and welcome to a special episode. Today we are taking a deep dive into the world of software development life cycle, commonly known as SDLC. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just curious about software or you are a software tester, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of SDLC. We are going to explore each stage with multiple real life examples, breaking it all down in a way that is easy to understand. So, let's start the video. So, what is SDLC? So, let's start with the basics. Software development lifecycle is a systematic process for planning, creating, testing, deploying, and maintaining software applications. So in this case, it's like building a house. There are steps to follow to ensure you get a steady and functional structure. So what are the different stages in SDLC? So number one is a planning, requirement gathering and analysis, design and the development and testing and implementation and maintenance. These are the stages of SDLC. So let's see one by one. So first one is a planning. So just like planning a road trip, this stage involves defining project goals, scope, budget and resources. Let's plan a road trip to illustrate the importance of a well throughout plan. The second one is a requirement. This is where you gather and document the software requirements from users. It's like creating a shopping list before going to the grocery store. You want to make sure you don't forget anything important. The next phase is design. Think of this stage as the architectural design phase. You are creating a blueprint much like an architect designs a building before construction begins. The next one is implementation. Here is where the actual development happens, like construction workers building the house based on the architect plan. The next one is testing. Testing ensures that the software functions as intended and is free of defects. It's like quality control in a car manufacturing plant, making sure every feature works correctly or not. The next one is deployment. This is the stage where the software is released to users. It's like finally moving into your house, your new house, and enjoying all its features. The final one is maintenance. So, after moving into your house, you maintain it by fixing issues and making improvements. In software, it's about keeping the software up to date and addressing user feedback. So now let's dive deeper into each stage with real life examples. So coming to the planning stage. Imagine you are planning a trip to a theme park. You will need to decide the date, set a budget and figure out how you will get there. In software development, planning sets the direction for the project. So coming to the requirements, think about ordering a customized pizza online. You specify the type of crust, toppings, and size. Similarly, in the software development, you gather user requirements to build the software as per their needs. So, coming to the design, when an architect designs a building, they plan where each room will be and how it will look. Software design creates a blueprint that guides developers in building the software. The next one is implementation. Building a house is the equivalent of software implementation. Developers write code and create the actual software based on the design. So the next one is testing. In the world of automobiles, cars go through the rigorous testing to ensure they perform well on the road. Similarly, software undergoes testing to find and fix any issues. The next one is deployment. When you buy a new phone, it's finally ready for use. Software development is like releasing the product to users so they can start using it. The final one is maintenance. Cars need regular maintenance like oil changes to keep running smoothly. Likewise, software requires updates and improvements to maintain its performance and security. So, and there you have it. A detailed look at the software development lifecycle illustrated with real life examples. Understanding SDLC is a crucial for anyone in the software development, and it's a bit like following a recipe to create a masterpiece. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video.